So hi, my name is Zixuan Wang. My topic discussed was study case. It's a Domino study case. So Domino, as we know, is a pizza shop, and it was famous as fast delivers. The shop beauty promise that we're gonna deliver your pizza in 30 minutes, and actually it's pretty useful for the markets and customer like this. However, every coin has the two sides. So the fast delivers means that the pizza quality was not get good as normal pizza shop. So in this case, when customer realized that the pizza was not good as others, on the other hand, the other pizza company tried to use the fast delivery to get in the market, but they provide more, even though they may not fast as the Domino, but they provide more quality, high quality pizza. So Domino start to lose the market. So in this case, Domino's try to find the reason why they lose the market. So after some analysis and research and feedback from the customer, they find that manager was the main point, and here they need to improve the quality of management as soon as possible. So, such suggestion for me, I have 4 suggestions. The first is new plan, HR plan. The second one was back to the pizza. The third one was to hire the high quality manager and reinforce and training. So the first, the new HR plan. The old plan was they try to the object for them is to speed and quickly deliver food. However, it's no longer for them. They have to make sure they have the quality pizza and they have a high quality management. And the second was the pizza. So whatever he did, anyways, he still is a pizza company. So what customer care is the pizza. It's not how well, even though the delivery time was good, but the customer do not more care about the pizza. So try to innovate the new pizza, get the feedback from the customer, improve the quality was another suggestion. And the third one was to hire the high quality manager. So we change the HR plan, so we need to build a new recurrent system, which we set up a new requirement, we get us a new interview, and to improve our quality. So we need a new crew and manager. And the first one is reinforce and train. Because we know the old manager wasn't bad. We cannot say it's bad, but they just do not know what they need. So in this case, we need to find the weakness of what we did in the past. So we find that our manager is kind of lack of some skills or whatever. So we set up a new object and new goals, then we get in train. So we can make sure that the old manager can fit our new HR plan and system. And that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.